Please wait.
We all know that sound.
We are not available right now.
Your time is valuable, and the last thing you want to do is sit on hold. But hey, did you know that PAI Industries' new website offers a non-robotic, quick, and easy live chat feature that helps in any situation? So there's no need to thumb through that old catalog book. Just simply create an account, log in, and click the Let's Talk tab.
New visitor in the queue.
And our PAI agent is ready to assist you. It's literally that easy. Okay, let me run another scenario by you. Running low on inventory? Or needing to update an order fulfillment? Not a problem. The PAI chat feature is mobile friendly, so no matter where you're at, you can access the feature with any smart device. And a PAI agent is ready and waiting.
New visitor in the queue.
We can even add to your order, so you don't have to. Let PAI handle the order fulfillment while you spend more time with your customers. PAI agents are ready for your questions at any time, even at the end of the day when you need a simple question answered for peace of mind, like tracking information on your most recent order.
New visitor in the queue.
The chat is one of the many new features the PAI website has to offer. It's the quick and easy way to getting your work done. PAI Industries, world tested, performance proven.